This feels like a device straight out of the future. This is the Plaud Note AI rare credit card-sized ChatGPT-powered gadget designed to transform the way you work and study. Want to work smarter, not harder, right? Then this video is for you. This device records your conversations and instantly transcribes and summarizes everything for you. Imagine having a ChatGPT-powered device that fits in your wallet or pocket, ready whenever you need it. Literally pocket size, super portable, and this comes with the MagSafe case. Also, this is how you charge it. For my favorite part, it's simplicity. Just press this button. And this is for a phone call. But wait, doesn't the iPhone already do this for free? Well, I wanted a free solution too, but trust me, those options don't cut it and you won't stick with them. Here's why. Feel free to pause if you want to read them all. Think about your daily routine. Let's say students, it's a lifesaver. You can record and transcribe lecture notes super easily. Even you take a nap because it listens to the professor and takes notes for you, then summarizes them afterward. Students, this is the ultimate study hack for getting top grades with less effort. It's for professionals. Do you often have a lot of annoying meetings? And maybe you need to summarize the key points and report them to your boss right before you join the meeting. Press and hold the button to start recording. That's it. It will transcribe the entire conversation and even generate a summary for you. Maybe your supervisor asks you to do multiple things at the same time. While walking or driving, you handle lots of phone calls. Just use this next level AI device to record and transcribe everything, even phone calls. Just imagine you're in sales, closing an important deal, and the client suddenly says, I don't remember agreeing to that. Or maybe you're a taxi or Uber driver or a public service worker dealing with unreasonable complaints or even dangerous situations. Are you prepared to protect yourself? With just one button, Plaud Note instantly starts recording, securing undeniable proof. No more excuses, no more he said, she said. I just believe this ChatGPT device, Plaud Note, is a must-have for us. This changes how people work, study, and stay organized. It's been really helpful for me as a salesperson. Let me explain. I get a lot of phone calls from customers wanting to place orders. This time, it's Alessandra on the line, and I'm driving.
Hi, this is Alessandra Assolutamente Vino. I'd like to place an order for someone. Can you help me with this? I need 5 bottles of Pinot Noir, 3 cases of Merlot, and 8 cases of Chianti. Oh, and by the way, do you remember what brand of Chianti I ordered last time? I'd like to stick with the same one. Also, this is my first time ordering Merlot. What would you recommend? And when can you deliver everything?
Hey, Alessandra, thanks for ordering for the Chianti. You went with the 2018 Rexoli Barolo last time. By the way, if you're open to it, I can offer you 20% off if you bump up to 10 cases in Chianti instead of 8. What do you think?
Awesome, sure.
Now,
Let's make it 10
as for delivery, I can have
cases.
it by this Friday, but if you need it sooner, I can try to push it. So customer wanted to order 5 bottles of Pinot Noir, 3 cases of Merlot, 10 cases of Chianti with 20% off recommended Duckhorn Napa Valley Merlot. Delivery is scheduled on Wednesday, initially between Friday and Thursday. Handling such detailed conversations while multitasking, like driving or managing another task, is nearly impossible, right? Me, no. You might catch some details but miss others leading. This is where the Plaud Note comes in. I always keep it right here, creating a dedicated spot, sometimes here or here. Okay, so like I said, to start, just hold this button for a second and start recording. So later, the AI transcription breaks down the conversations into this clear and amazing summary. That was in the car, but if you were walking around, use this one and hear every conversation on the phone calls and transcribe it too. Can you believe this ultra-thin device can do such things? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Of course, you might be wondering about, the sound quality. It's not the absolute best, but it's still pretty solid. I say more than okay level, but even if you're sitting at the back of the class, the record quality, mediocre. I let my friend try it at his school, however, it picks up every word. So it's awesome. Plus, it supports 57 languages. I tested Spanish and Japanese, and both worked flawlessly. Oh, and Plaud Note offers stylish templates for meetings, interview, speech, key points, and phone call summaries. You just press the button and record the audio, right? Then choose the language, then boom. Seriously, this is super handy. So far, everything sounds great, but here's something important you need to know. This could be a deal breaker. Every month, you get 300 hours of recording time, 300 hours. After that, though, you'll have to pay. In my experience, 300 hours is pretty enough, but this device is so useful that you might end up wanting more. Yeah, that's how Plaud Note makes money. I'm not, a fan of subscriptions, so I recommend sticking with the free version. Free version is more than enough, I think. So what do you think? Are you teamwork smart, not hard? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.